Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you one of my favorite websites for helping improve reading and supporting some of your students as I try to read and comprehend difficult text. So this tool is called Rewordify. If you've ever heard that phrase, it was popular a few years ago, too long, didn't read. This is kind of similar to that it shortens and simplifies text, but it's a little bit more comprehensive. It doesn't make a task easier. It just gives you more support as you're reading something difficult. It gives you synonyms of words and definitions. So it is storming right now as I'm filming this. Hopefully that's not too loud for you as you try to listen along. I think it's kind of relaxing. But to use this resource, you'll go to Rewordify. There's a couple different ways you can do this. If you're an English language arts teacher and you're looking at maybe a classic work of literature, maybe Tom Sawyer or Huck Finn, something like that, then there are a lot of classic literature documents in here. And I can just search through and find one that they've already worked through for me. And what they've done is they've gone through and made it a little bit easier for my students to read and made it in a more language that might support their understanding. So once I get on, it actually gives me my reading time and shows me that might be distracting to some students, so I can scroll below that. It gives me all the different chapters. I'll click chapter 1. And I have it turned on right now to where it is showing me my rewordified text, which is a simplified text. If I click this, it can turn it off. I can do different options here. I can print this version. I can look at parts of speech. You have lots of different resources here. It's really an English language arts teacher's dream. But I am here in the rewordified version. And whenever I see anything that's highlighted, that's the words that it's changed. So if I hover over that, it gives me the original text. It also shows me definitions. Gives me a reading time. Now I'm going to close out of this one. If I wanted to use this in a different way, maybe I gave my students text and it's not something that the website already has there built and scaffolded for me, I can paste in text as well. So I'm going to find an example here. Let's see how great my internet sleuthing is. Well, this looks like a summary, so it's not exactly what I needed. So it might even be simplified already, but I'm still going to copy that here. I'm going to paste it, and then I'm going to click Rewordify text. Oh, it did find some to change. And once it's done that, again, it shows me that rewordified text. If I have any questions about any word too, I can click the word and it will give me definitions of those words. It does not support different languages yet, but I have gotten emails that say that that's something that they're working on in the future. So let us know how much you'd like to use this tool and how you've used it in your lessons.